Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how I make these floral earrings from my homemade clay. I first take some brownish chalk dust and color the clay. Once this is done, I roll it out and cut two small circles. I also roll out some white clay and cut two circles. Now I stick both these brown circles on like so. I now texture the center of the flowers and use some chalk pastel and color the center. To make the petals, I roll out some clay and cut a petal shape from it. I then use a pointy tool and roll over it to add some texture to the petals. I then stick them around the center of the flower. I also use some chalk pastel to lightly shade the flower. I repeat the same for the other earring as well. I stick many petals like this all around. To attach the back, I take two small circles and poke the earring attachment through it and stick both to the back of the flower. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.